So this company, Release, reached out to us a while ago asking if they can send us some of their products. This is an all-surface cleaner. It's fragrance-free and it has no harsh chemicals. So no acid, no bleach, no chlorine, no phosphate, no petroleum, no alcohol. They use it a lot in aviation and in van life, in trucks, and also in boats. So we figured, why not? Let's give it a try. It could be a good alternative to, you know, Lysol. We got this and we used it quite a lot in our truck. We've been loving it, especially the fact that it has absolutely no odor. So I figured, let's try to see if it can remove junk from the boat. So I've already washed the bowsprit and the anchor roller.
Not bad.
The real question, to put it to the test, can it remove all this junk? Can it clean this? This is a piece of Teflon that was on the bow, and I want to know if it will clean it. So let's test it out. Holy cow. So before I scraped all the Sikaflex off, I just wanted to see if the Release product would have actually cleaned off the rusty junk. And look at this. I mean, it didn't take off absolutely everything. I don't think anything could, but this is kind of impressive. And I know, I mean, yes, they're sponsoring this video, but I wasn't expecting it to be so clean. So I'm gonna take the rest of this off and I'm gonna show you the end result. Here is the end result. Look at this. This is basically new. There's still some areas that were a little bit stubborn, but I feel like if I maybe let it sit a little bit, it would have come off. But I only used Release to clean it off. This is kind of impressive. I hope that you don't think that I'm biased for saying this, but I'm actually quite impressed with how well it works and how well it cleans, and it doesn't feel weird or harsh or irritating on my skin. I definitely see that we're gonna be using this much more, especially when we're in the water, but even before, because this is a degreaser as well, and we're gonna need to wash the entire interior of the boat before we get to paint it and degrease it properly. So we'll probably get the concentrated version of this and wash the boat with that. We've been looking for an alternative to chemical cleaners for a long time, and I think this is gonna be a good one. I think this is gonna be it. So, all right, let's get back to work.